Tapos, ever since I was Vice Mayor ako, 2022, we have a problem there to itanong tayo within calling attention of in what water ito ako several times. I have here ako the transcribed reports of dito in what tayo ako kay prime water in September during the 12th Sambayang Panglungsod, 10th regular session, tapos in 135th regular session na po, ito sa buhay panglungsod. Mujak Marino, dito iti iba katakuan na tinaninan tayo isudat within 3 months, no handa tayo nga ma-resolve o makatulong ti problema at natong ito'y lawag city po. It's the time na we need to seek help from other third-party water sources po, suppliers. Because dili pa lang tilistaan dat nga adu pa lang ti sitios na hanga nakadanon ti prime water po. We have 12 barangays out of the 18. Talayab, Santa Rosa, Apaya, Lataab, Baxil North, Baxil South, Tila, Pasili, Kawakat, Katabal, Nabotas A, Nabotas B. Ang nabi nga nasaservante, ito yung areas na po. So, on that situation na po, I'm endorsing this matter to the Committee on Housing and Urban Development na po, ako Jeff Arias, because I know that ipapukot po, under third-party na water service provider na po, which is ginamaputinagad na po kita, ang pipilistan po. And amok nga third party aside from prime water na tumulong ti munisipyo ti Ilocos Norte na baka kaya na dito tumulong ito yan tayo ako na baka ti prime water marigatan na yung kinakakil tilawag pasambol tayo ikan attention dito itakas na lalo nga summer man at tiligat lang ti kulukulen so kita tayo kasi diswapusen please take note of my endorsement is Committee on Housing and Urban Development as well.